You've heard the news. Tariffs are back. The Trump administration's 2025 trade policy is targeting imported vehicles and auto parts, especially from China, Mexico, and parts of Europe. And what does that mean for you, the car buyer? Simple. Prices are going up. Some by as much as $7,000 to $15,000 per model. Inventories are tightening, costs are rising, and many shoppers are suddenly rethinking their purchase plans. But here's the thing. Not every SUV is caught in this political and economic mess. There are still smart choices on the market. SUVs that are built right here in the US or in countries that aren't impacted by these new tariffs. SUVs that give you all the space, safety, and style without the financial headaches. So today, let's dive deep into 10 SUVs that are not affected by Trump's tariffs in 2025. We're talking about great vehicles that are safe from sudden price hikes and still offer strong value in a volatile market. 1. Ford Bronco, built in Michigan, starting at $39,130. The Bronco is back, and it's not just a retro throwback. It's a bold, off-road ready machine, built in Wayne, Michigan, and proudly American. Whether you're eyeing the base model, the Outer Banks for luxury touches, or the Badlands for extreme trails, you're getting a vehicle that's 100% built in the US, from assembly to most of its components. Available with 2 or 4 doors, 4x4 across all trims, removable doors and roof, and a wide range of off-road packages, the Bronco is a beast. And guess what? No tariffs, no inflated prices, no border delays. If you're in the market for something fun, functional, and safe from tariff drama, the Bronco is a top pick. 2. Jeep Grand Cherokee, built in Detroit, starting at $38,290. The Grand Cherokee is a staple of American mid-size SUVs. Built in Detroit, Michigan, this model avoids all foreign import costs while delivering modern tech, comfort, and real off-road capabilities. It comes in both 2-row and 3-row variants, the Grand Cherokee L, and even the plug-in hybrid 4xe model is built in the US, qualifying for clean vehicle incentives and avoiding tariff risks. You'll get advanced safety features, a Uconnect infotainment system with a crisp touchscreen, and available air suspension. It's a refined ride that's as much at home on the freeway as it is on rocky trails. Best part, you get all this without worrying about volatile international pricing. 3. Toyota RAV4, built in Canada, starting at $29,825. Here's a twist. The RAV4, Toyota's best seller, isn't built in Japan, it's built in Ontario, Canada. Thanks to the USMCA trade agreement, Canadian-built vehicles are exempt from tariffs. That means the RAV4 lineup, including the hybrid and prime plug-in, remains immune to new price hikes. With excellent fuel economy, up to 41 mpg city in the hybrid, rugged trims like the TRD off-road, and Toyota's legendary reliability, the RAV4 stays a great all-around choice, especially now that competitors are getting more expensive. If you're looking for a practical, safe, and affordable compact SUV that's also politically safe, the RAV4 checks every box. Volvo XC90 and EX90. Built in South Carolina, XC90 starts at $57,895. EX90 electric starts around $76,000. Yes, Volvo is a Swedish brand, but these two luxury SUVs are made in Ridgeville, South Carolina. The XC90 is Volvo's flagship 3-row SUV. It blends Scandinavian style with a focus on safety and comfort. Available in B5 mild hybrid and recharge plug-in hybrid variants, the XC90 offers up to 66 mpg and has one of the cleanest cabin designs in the segment. Now meet the EX90, Volvo's first fully electric flagship SUV. Built in the same US factory, it offers a range of around 300 miles, dual-motor AUD, and next-gen safety systems powered by LiDAR. With domestic production, both models sidestep tariffs, and the EX90 may qualify for EV tax credits, thanks to US sourcing. It's rare to find luxury and political immunity in one package, but Volvo pulls it off. Number 5. Chevrolet Tahoe, built in Texas, starting at $58,195. Need space? Look no further than the Chevy Tahoe. This full-size SUV seats up to 9 passengers, can tow up to 8 400-pounds, and is assembled entirely in Arlington, Texas. From the powerful 5.3L and 6.2-liter V8s to the Duramax diesel option, the Tahoe is ready for work or family life. It also offers magnetic ride control, adaptive suspension, and rear seat media systems, and it's one of the few large SUVs untouched by tariffs. While rivals like the Toyota Sequoia or European full-size options face pricing uncertainty, the Tahoe delivers consistent value, rock-solid reliability, and easy servicing across the U.S. 6. Honda CR-V, built in Indiana and Ohio, starting at $29,500. The Honda CR-V isn't just a bestseller, it's also a US-built marvel. Most CR-Vs sold in America are made in Indiana and Ohio, including the popular hybrid trims. With 204 combined horsepower in the hybrid, real-world efficiency of up to 43 mpg city, and Honda sensing safety features standard, the CR-V offers unbeatable practicality. It also rides quietly, handles smoothly, and maintains excellent resale value. More importantly, it's not touched by tariffs, meaning its pricing is far more stable than other global imports. Number 7. Subaru Outback, built in Indiana, starting at $30,240. Here's another all-American twist. The Subaru Outback, famous for exploring mountains and muddy trails, is made in Lafayette, Indiana. With standard all-wheel drive, up to 9.5 inches of ground clearance, and a turbocharged engine option that pumps out 260 horsepower, the Outback is a rare mix of SUV practicality and wagon-style handling. It also has Subaru's EyeSight safety suite, an intuitive 11.6-inch touchscreen, and a reputation for lasting well beyond 200,000 miles. Best of all, it avoids all tariff-related inflation and supply chain disruptions, keeping its price steady and fair. Number 8. Hyundai Santa Fe, built in Alabama, starting at $34,000. The all-new 2025 Hyundai Santa Fe is making waves, and it's built in Montgomery, Alabama. That means no import taxes, no inflated MSRP, and easy access to parts and service. This new generation Santa Fe is bigger, boxier, and more rugged-looking, with a third-row option for added family flexibility. It's packed with features even in the base trims, including a 12.3-inch digital cluster, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and available hybrid and plug-in hybrid powertrains. You get modern tech, bold design, and political price immunity, all in one. 9. BMW X5, built in South Carolina, starting at $66,195. This one surprises a lot of people. The BMW X5, a German badge, is actually built in Spartanburg, South Carolina. It's one of BMW's biggest production hubs globally. That means you can get your luxury SUV with all the features: adaptive suspension, panoramic roof, massaging seats, plug-in hybrid options, and avoid tariffs that would add thousands to the price tag of a Mercedes or Audi. The X5 blends sportiness, comfort, and premium tech. And thanks to its American assembly, it maintains steady pricing even in turbulent times. 10. Volkswagen Atlas, built in Tennessee, starting at $37,720. Last but not least, we have the Volkswagen Atlas. This roomy three-row SUV is made in Chattanooga, Tennessee, and it's a go-to family hauler that remains unaffected by tariffs. You'll get a standard V6 or a Turbo 4, available aided, and tons of cargo space, up to 96.8 cubic feet with the seats down. It also includes standard safety features like blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control, and lane assist. The Atlas is modern, spacious, and one of the few mid-size SUVs that remain stable in both supply and pricing. So there you have it, 10 SUVs that are safe from the Trump tariffs in 2025. Whether you're looking for electric innovation, rugged capability, family practicality, or luxury comfort, these models offer solid value without the fear of sudden price hikes. Remember, the market is shifting. Imports are getting more expensive, but you can still shop smart. Focus on where your SUV is built, not just who makes it. And when in doubt, go domestic. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more real-world car advice, and hit that bell so you never miss a breakdown. Now let me ask you, which one of these tariff-proof SUVs would you pick? Drop your answer in the comments. Thanks for watching, and drive smart.